Fact number 1. Do you know your lungs are not exactly two halves? The lung on the left side of your body is divided into two lobes, while the lung on your right side is divided into three. The left lung is also slightly smaller, allowing room for your heart. Fact number 2. Do you know why a bird chirp or sing or make sounds? They do this for a lot of different reasons. One of the reasons is to attract a mate, another reason is to warn other birds of danger, and they also do it to scare off predators. Fact number 3. You can't breathe and swallow simultaneously. Are you thinking it is a joke? You can do an experiment right away to test it though. This is because the food and fluids we swallow and the air we breathe in both travel down the same part of our throat. Fact number 4. Do you know what we call the smell or odor which comes before rain? Yes, nice earth smell I'm asking about. We call it as petrichor, which is a combination of fragrant chemical compounds, and the smell actually comes from the moistening of the ground. Fact number 5. When water doesn't have an expiry date, then why bottled water has expiry date? It's generally not a good idea to drink water from plastic bottles that's way beyond its expiration date. This is because plastic can begin to leach into water over time, contaminating it with chemicals such as antimony and bisphenol A. If we take such expired bottled water regularly, these plastic components can slowly accumulate in your body, which could harm gut health, immunity, and respiratory function. Fact number 6. Do you know how many liters of water is being used to make a cotton t-shirt? It is approximately 700 gallons. So what is 1 gallon? 1 gallon is 3.7 liters. In simple way to understand, it is 2590 liters being consumed to make a cotton t-shirt. Fact number 7. Do you know why do jeans have that tiny pocket? That pocket has several titles throughout the years, including coin pocket, match pocket, and ticket pocket. But for what it is actually made for? Yes, it is made for watch. Those old jeans had a tiny pocket to hold small pocket watches for working men, from carpenters and miners to railroad engineers. And this design is a very old one. And as it is very cool, it is being continued and later been used for iPod and lipsticks too. If you like our new video on facts, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back again with more interesting facts. Until then, goodbye and stay safe.